Hey coach, if you're seeing this, it's because you checked out our training on how to add $5,000 to $30,000 per month to your revenue by doing less. He's so lazy. Health and fitness professionals, I want to share a couple jarring statistics with you. First, did you know Facebook and Instagram engagement has declined by more than 61% in the last 5 years?
And second, did you know that 80% of health, fitness, nutrition coaches and trainers quit in their first year?
And you're probably wondering how these two things are related, and trust me, stick with us over the next 5 to 7 minutes and we're gonna cover that. We're also gonna cover how to add $5,000 to $30,000 per month to your revenue in 3 to 6 months by doing less. Meaning, less clients, so more profit per client. Less chasing clients, more clients coming to you. Less posting and DMing, and more predictable automated systems to attract clients and retain clients. And I know that probably sounds too good to be true. You're probably skeptical, and you should be.
Hey, maybe we should introduce ourselves.
I think that's a good idea. Let's do that.
So I'm Jordan, and this is my lovely wife, business partner, and baby mama, Erin. Together we live in Columbus, Ohio with our 3 dogs and our 2-year-old son, Jackson. And we're actually working on the next baby right now. And hopefully Erin's pregnant during this video. I actually think last night might have been the one that did it. But together we have 20 plus years of experience in the fitness industry.
We ran a successful gym for 5 years. We both spent years personal training hundreds of clients. And we've co-founded T4E Systems, an online fitness coaching company, which over the course of 10 years helped 4,500 clients and generated $6 million in sales. We did that all without cold DMs, draining sales calls, or massive social media following. So fast forward to today, since 2018, we've been the longest standing mentorship company in the space with the largest collection of successful student case studies.
Today, I'm at $57,000 in contracted revenue for 2024.
Now in my business, it's so easy to generate leads. It's so easy to connect to people on a real deep level.
So I have already done 2 sales calls and I have another sales call booked next week. With the incredible amount of support, community, and resources in IFCA, I know that my business has endless opportunities.
So this is why we're the preferred business coaching program for top certifications like ISSA, NASM, AFFA, and look, we could keep going on rattling off all of our accomplishments in the fitness industry to try to impress you, like probably many of these other videos you've seen, but we're not like them and you probably don't care. But what you do care about is how we can help you. So here's our promise. Give us 10 to 15 minutes of your time and we will provide more value than anything you've seen on the internet. We promise you'll walk away with actionable steps, not just a bunch of sales pitches. And after you watch this and you think, wow, I just got so much value, we will at the end pitch and explain how our program works, and you will likely take us up on our offer, which is if you qualify, our team will work with you one-on-one to implement what we cover in this video, and we will legit guarantee in writing that you will sign 10 new high-paying clients in just 90 days. And uncover $100K in hidden back-end revenue guaranteed. Meaning, we will put in writing that if you don't sign at least 10 clients, that we will coach you one-on-one for free until you do. So Jordan, do you want to explain how it all works?
Let's do it. Sorry, that's actually what our son Jackson says, kind of an inside joke, but I am really excited to share this. So first, we're gonna help take all the expertise and knowledge that you've built from working in the health and fitness industry or through your own transformation, and we're gonna package it into a unique signature offer. So we'll do this by working with you one-on-one to refine the offer, and we'll even score it to make sure that it's number 1, easy to sell, number 2, simple to deliver, and most importantly, number 3, stands out from your competition. And this is important for 2 reasons. Okay, first, the fitness industry is crowded. Okay, it's like a swamp full of fitness coaches. Just scroll through Instagram, right? The barrier to entry is so low that anyone can become a quote-unquote fit pro. So fitness coaching has become kind of a commodity. It's like choosing between Charmin and just a generic brand, right? Really, what's the difference? But when your offer is packaged correctly, you won't need to worry about oversaturation. A unique, customized offer will attract your audience to becoming a client like a magnet. Second, this will allow you to charge premium prices and get great results. Well, why is it essential to charge premium prices? Well, because we know that when people don't pay, they don't pay attention. And the more people pay, the more they pay attention. Therefore, if we want to transform clients' lives, charging a premium price is not only beneficial for them, but it'll allow you to make more money with fewer clients, therefore allowing you to service those clients at a much higher level.
This is how Tyler, who was an in-person trainer working 50 hours a week and didn't think online coaching would work, he was struggling to get clients because his offer was so generic, that after joining IFCA, he focused on helping divorced dads drop 20 pounds so they could build back up their confidence. From there, we helped him transition 23 of his 27 in-person clients to online, buying back 20 hours a week for him. And once we plugged plugged in the client acquisition machine in just 8 weeks, he made $23,000. Or like Jessica, who was a physical therapist working 50 hours a week. She was making $3,000 to $4,000 a month, and she didn't know what to offer or how to deliver in a scalable way. But after IFCA, we restructured our offer to help moms reverse leakage, prolapse, and pain with intimacy 100% virtually without having to leave their house. She went full-time online in 6 weeks. She's working 20 to 30 hours a week, and she's gone on to crush it. Actually, she had a $58,000 month in just 5 months, and since she's consistently had $30,000 to $40,000 months.
All right, next, we're gonna help you build out your semi-automated lead generation machine. Okay, I say semi-automated because anytime you hear the word automated, you should barf in your mouth. Okay, getting clients can't be automated, but parts of it can be. So we'll do this by helping you launch a simple, unique Instagram ad with either a specific video framework like this one, or with a value-led image creative like this one.
This will result in 300 to 700 leads per month coming to you instead of you just posting and praying they see your stuff, or worse, having to cold DM strangers all day, hoping a few people don't think you're a creep and actually respond to you. So this is how Abby, she came to us as a nurse and doing coaching as a side hustle. She was making $2,000 to $4,000 a month through posting content, sending cold DMs, and in just 90 days of IFCA, she was able to quit her job, go full time, and now she's signing 3 clients a week from ads with 0 objections, and she's doing consistent $19,000 months. And look, generating leads is just one part of it. We'll never be able to turn a lead into a client without a system to build trust fast and in a way that doesn't depend on your content getting seen. Otherwise, you're just getting calls all day with terrible leads, which will completely drain your energy. This is why we've literally done most of this work for you. We will give you access to our Impact AI marketing software. It's a done-for-you system that uses proven email, text, AI-based DM convo sequences to convert 3 to 10% of all of the leads into clients. And this system replaces every other software you need in your business, saving you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every month. This is how Jack, who came to us ready to give up because he was grinding 50 hours a week and making $4,000 to $6,000 a month, but in 90 days, he earned $36,000 in a month while taking 10 days off work for his honeymoon. So maybe you're not ready for ads yet. You might just be getting started. Maybe you haven't proven your offer, your sales process yet, or you just don't have the cash to dump into ads. Well, no worries. We will start with a fast cash campaign first to generate cash from your warm network or audience to reinvest into ads later. And here's how it works. We will either give you a done-for-you lead magnet to build trust with cold leads on autopilot, or a free challenge where we'll not only build the funnel for you, but we'll give you the system for delivering the challenge so that it will make the challenge members feel stupid for not moving forward into the signature offer. This is what we did with Bree. She's a mom of 2, a wife, and an online fitness coach. And when she came to us, she was grinding 50 to 60 hours a week, and she just didn't have the cash to turn on ads yet. So now she just had a $150,000 cash collected month, and she was able to sign 25 clients from her 5-day reset challenge. And the craziest part, she said she's worked less this month than any other month. And now she's asking her success coach for hobbies to pick up because she has so much free time. The reason for this is everything you need for generating leads and nurturing leads is mostly automated.
And look, I'm sure you're thinking, well, this kind of seems complicated, right? Well, that's because it is. But the best part is we'll just do all of the tech stuff for you. You'll get a fast cash campaign funnel all done for you, including a lead magnet or a 5-day challenge. You'll also get pre-built email and SMS templates that are mostly done for you, right? This will allow you to spend less time posting while still building trust, and we'll even give you an IG reply bot that will respond to any leads who DM you a certain keyword. This software will also allow you to track, manage, and follow up with leads all in one place, right? So no more spreadsheets. Now, obviously, you'll need to customize this and tweak it to your offer a little bit and your story, but this will save you months, if not years, compared to building this on your own. Okay, the final part here, which is definitely the most important, which is to help you develop your back-end retention offer. See, 99% of the gurus in this industry, they're only teaching you how to sign more clients. Why is that? Well, because it's sexy, right? Kind of like how your clients are easily distracted with the latest weight loss trend, hack, or peptide, when we both know that the key to sustainable long-term transformation has nothing to do with a fancy new shiny diet or weight loss pill, but everything to do with a strategy that your client can adhere to long-term. And just like in your business, so many health and fitness coaches burn out and quit in their first year because it's not sustainable. So the reality is we need to build a business that lasts, right? And in order to do so, we need to leverage the 3 ways to grow a business, not just one. The 3 ways are: number 1, signing more clients; number 2, making your clients worth more, which increases the profit per customer; and number 3, getting your clients to stay longer, therefore increasing retention by getting them to buy more times. So by having a back-end retention offer, you can re-sign your clients into new contracts, which will 2 to 3x the time and money that they spend with you. This doesn't just allow you to make more money in your business because you'll make more revenue and profit with fewer clients, but it also leads to real, long-lasting, permanent results for your clients. And I want to break down exactly how this looks. So let's say for your front-end signature offer, you have a defined promise and result, right? Selling what they want. For example, our metabolic timing method helps women shed 3 pant sizes in just 90 days without giving up wine or dessert. Once you get them a result fast, what they want, we'll resell them what they need, which is sustainability. So the goal is to collect cash on the front end so that we can reinvest into paid advertising and scaling. And then for your back-end offer, you're going to create a new defined promise solving their new problems, which could be identity shifts, habit formation, reverse dieting, metabolic building, maybe overcoming limiting beliefs and self-sabotage, or even learning how to coach themselves. We'll resell them into a 9 to 12 month contract. We'll price at 30 to 40% less than your front-end offer. And here, the goal is to stack monthly recurring revenue. So let me show you an example of how powerful this system is at making more money with less clients. Let's say your front-end offer is $2,200 for 12 weeks, or $700 a month. Let's say your back-end offer is $5,000 for 12 months, or $416 per month. If you convert just 50% from front to back, your average client will spend $4,400 with you. And you'll have an additional $225,000 in revenue by signing 1 client per week. Or let's say you sign 6 clients per month. That'll result in $338,000 a year, or 8 clients per month will result in $451,000 a year. Or if you are able to sign 20 clients per month, you now have a $1.1 million business.
And this is how Vanessa, who came to us working as a 9-to-5 accountant, spending a third of her life in the cubicle thinking, I have to find a way out of this. She knew she needed to make a change, so she started fitness coaching. But after 3 months, she only had 5 clients and was making $900 a month, which obviously isn't nearly enough to go full time. Then she came across an ad from IFCA and she decided to go all in. She doubled her accounting salary in just 8 weeks and went full time. She did $702,000 in revenue in her first year, and her husband was able to quit his job to join the business. But that's not even the best part. Check this out. Of the $702,000 in revenue, 76% was from her back end. That's $540,000 in back end client contracts and not new clients. Only 21% of that came from signing new clients. Or check out David here, who was a personal trainer that we helped pivot online. He went from thinking his clients would only stay with him for like 3 to 6 months, but with our systems, he converted 24 of 26 of his front-end clients to his back-end offer, and he generated $92,260 in contracts. This was all hidden back-end revenue he didn't even know he had. So if you're ready, click the link below to book a free demo call with our team. This call is all about value. We'll dive deep into your business to see if working with us is the next right step for you. And if not, we'll help you understand why your business is stuck and provide you with some resources to help move you forward. This isn't a high-pressure sales call because we only make money if you succeed. So we'll be honest if our program is not a fit. You have nothing to lose with our guarantee. There is no pressure. So if you're ready to build a low-stress, high-impact business, stop consuming endless free information and start taking action, just know this process works. It works even if you have a full roster of clients. It works even if you've tried coaching and it hasn't worked for you in the past, or if maybe people are still telling you online coaching isn't a real job, or even if you feel like you don't have time. You know, we help students with busy schedules who are succeeding. We help you manage your time and delegate to free up your schedule. And remember, coaches need coaches. Like, how can you expect your clients to invest in you if you're not willing to invest in you? Building a successful online fitness or health coaching business that generates 6 to 7 figures while impacting clients is possible if you do it right. Our clients do it every day, and we would really love to help you too. So click the link below to apply for a free demo call, see the available times, and we hope to see you on the inside.
See you later.